top.
Ooh.
Nobody wants you to go on.
I'm recording for you.
I didn't do it.
Guys, I'm recording.
You start playing with my toys.
YouTube. This is going on YouTube.
To tell them what kind of Glenolden fireworks.
I know, Glenolden fireworks. What is that? Oh, the drone.
Oh, it is a drone, yeah. Check that out. Straight ahead.
That red dot right there, guys, is a drone.
Make it fire.
Whoa. Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch.
Wait, what the drones at?
I see. I think that's a drone. There's a lot, I think.
That might be a drone.
Okay, come on.
That's a drone, I think.
Oh my! I zoomed out way too much. There.
Don't leave. Sit down.
Whoa.
I am in my dad's trunk right now. Where's the
Wait till you see
Glenolden
the
fireworks?
All kinds of fireworks go off there. Alright, stop.
Ready? Ready? Go! Ready? Ready? Go! Go!
Here, sit. Stop my lady.
Ready?
I'll get some cash. I'm not worried about it. Nobody's gonna steal
Go.
it.
Listen, don't go run them over.
Ready?
$10.
Ready? Ready? Go!
Um,
Go! That's not good. Ice cream! What's that? Is that so good for Ellie?
no.
Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh.
That was the mini grand finale.
Ready, steady, go.
Got the big things. Whoa, that looked like a shooting star.
Hi.
I should have brought my selfie stick for this.
Mom, where are you?
Ooh. So pretty.
Ow. Ow, go.
Nah, don't get scared. Don't you be scared of.
I'll go. Mommy. Can we go home?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. I'm ready for the grand finale.
Oh, surprise.
Whoa.
Whoa, I would
Now
get
it's a
close,
rainbow.
but my phone quality stinks, and I do not have my iPad.
Ready? That thing is getting closer. Go.
Most of my videos are recorded on my phone, guys, so yeah. That's why sometimes it doesn't have that good of quality. I just put the light on it just now. See, hope you guys can see a little better. Got enough well. They're setting off like little fireworks too, but you can't really see it's behind the houses. Oh, that was very tiny. That was also very shiny. Sorry guys, that was my finger. Trying to angle it.
Oh, that was just a fire. Mom, that's turning red, green, red, green, red, green. Oh, I'm coming.
like that. Oh, they just took.
2 more weeks till the gift starts.
What do you mean? They took the shopping cart and left. Anybody else see that? I don't know. They just took these 2 people just walked by with a shopping cart.
I ran to a car.
Guys, I am so sorry for all this. Like bad quality. There is fireworks going off, but like, if you guys can anywhere, like they're like right there. I have you like zoomed in, like kind of, like I don't want to zoom you guys in too much.
Wow.
I love that smell.
What?
Fireworks.
I know. I love the
Really?
smell. It's like smells like gasoline.
Full
Fire. I love the smell of fire. I know.
I need to put some
Smell it?
Okay.
What?
I can hold the
For like 2 minutes.
My place go this year.
What?
Oh my god, Dad! Is this the grand finale?
For the big one. Here we go.
Watch.
Guys, I'll try to zoom in.
It doesn't work.
That was the grand finale.
Yeah, there's no way. Because if it was, that really sucked.
Oh yeah, that definitely wasn't. That was another mini grand finale. They had 2 this time.
Let's see someone else that's playing with it.
That's a little good
It
fight.
just stopped for 2 minutes.
I hope it didn't break.
I mean,
Yeah, the
Never been
fire.
on before.
they only had it on one time and turned it off. They weren't playing with it.
Was that
Yeah,
seriously it? Or are they letting it off?
Grand finale.
What?
I swear, was that it? Ew, my butt hurts.
Can't be it.
I'm gonna spin myself.
Chia.
We're going to take on the side over here.
I doubt that.
Yeah, go.
Come on over here.
No, I don't need it.
And then hold it in.
If you
really
piss
gotta-
yourself, I'm gonna
Yeah,
beat
I'm
the shit
really
out of you.
mad.
Mommy, I don't like the drawing.
Oh, wait,
You
you're
like that one? I don't like the drawing. Yeah, I did. I did. Oh, I need. That's all right here. Let me go home right now.
Yeah.
Not yet, Gia.
Relax, honey. I know you're...
This is good bed. Go.
Oh. Slow.
I'm putting my shoes on.
And I don't want to.
So sorry. Sorry for the shakiness. Oh! Okay. This is like all like slow. Like my whole thing just went in slow motion.
Well, wait. That might have just been.
Think about it.
That's the great affair.
It's fine.
Nothing will beat Ridley Township's last finale from last year. Nothing will beat that.
there's a poop.
That was not a ghost. That was a man.
Wow. So pretty.
I found that so much quality. Their quality for stuff so better. So better. That was it. Was it?
Yay!
Okay, guys, like and subscribe. Bye.
Jump in the